what's up you guys, Uncanny Rider coming here from Namma Bengaluru. Yeah guys, so I'm finally back. It's been too long. MotoGP style. This one too. Yes. And the one at St. Mark's Road. That one too. Yes. So yeah guys, I'm back, finally back, but I'm not completely alright. I have a bit of cold, cough, sore throat and fever as well, and I shouldn't be going out for the ride. So where was I? Okay. Yeah, so I'm not completely alright, and during this video you will be able to hear my running nose in the background. And I know that's disgusting. I know it's bloody dumb for me to vlog this way with all cold and cough and sore throat, but come on man, deal with it. So what was I doing all this time? Oh shit, I didn't see that speed breaker. I was just taking my time off here. I've been caught up in so much personal stuff that it's hard for me to concentrate on the vlog, and as much as I want to give out good content to you guys, it's just not coming out. Yeah, that's what she said. So now what I really want to say is that I'm so sorry for the delay in my content. I know I've been very irregular with my vlogs, and I would like to apologize for that in first place. I'll do my best. I'll try at least to stay a bit regular and upload good content for you guys. But the problem that was coming in the middle was that I wasn't able to, vlog to my full, freedom, and well, all this personal life matter has been irritating me a bit. I don't have the exact time to go out for rides, for bike rides. Like, my personal life is keeping me a bit occupied and busy. So I hope you guys get that. And so what are we doing today? I am with my homeboy, Twitch to Neutral, and we are, oh shit, okay, yeah. So I'm with my homeboy, Twitch to homeboy. What the fuck was that? Oh shit, okay. So I'm oh, take number 3. Yeah, so we are heading out to Nandi Hills, and I know I shouldn't be doing this as of now because I'm not well, and my condition could worsen. But come on man, we are bikers. Sundays and bikes, one of the best combinations. I'd rather go for a excruciating bike ride than sit at home and do nothing. I know sleeping is a good alternative, but nah man, I wouldn't miss it for you guys. Since I have the opportunity to vlog and let my message out there, I'm not gonna give that up for anything, not even sleep, even though it's important to me, but balls to that shit. Yo, now telling you guys some interesting stuff. I'm sorry guys if this vlog turns out to be a bit longer than usual. Well, I never really give so much explanation in my videos, but here it is for you guys. Now, coming back to the other thing that I wanted to tell you guys. I have performed something for you guys, and here's a clip of it.
I'm coming for your love, okay. Take on
me. I know you want more. So to watch the full part, go to Twitch to Neutral's channel, and you'll find the video right up there. I forgot the name, but I'll put it down in the description below. I'll link you guys to that video, and I'll put like an annotation here somewhere here, so you guys can go to that video. But don't skip this video and go to that video, guys.
Tomorrow.
Damn.
We synced, bro.
I was gonna clap again because stupidity.
Why you do this?
Because stupidity, man. It's life. Follow me. Follow me if you want to live, right? That's what you're gonna say?
Come with me if you want to leave.
Yeah, that.
I've used that too many times.
Yeah, I am surprised you realized. Wait, I have to close the door, right?
No, don't close it.
Okay. There's a
Oh.
police.
The police!
Whoop, whoop,
The sound of police.
whoop, whoop. For a sound or a beast. I don't know what they say. It just sounds fucking gibberish.
I don't know the lyrics, dude.
Oh man. Show your audience the squid.
Do you want me to? I don't think you should overtake me, man. You're like completely squidding right now.
Oh no, at least I have a helmet on me, so that's fine.
I can see you in my rearview mirror. Uncanny is basically half naked. Look at that.
Squid life.
Squid hey, auntie, what? Jesus Christ.
Yeah, did you hear me or like what?
Yeah, I can hear you. This auntie noob has got her freaking indicator on. Is she even turning right? Oh, she is. Damn, she knows what she's doing.
Yeah, man. Responsible people be like auntie.
Auntie freaking cut me off.
Shit, dude. Let's open her.
Let's open her, bro.
What's up, dude?
Sorry? What's up, dude? What's up? What's up?
What's up, dude?
Okay.
Hello from the other side.
I used to go.
Okay, let's
Fuel up.
refuel right
Fuel
now.
up.
Yep.
Wow, Hindi speaking full on.
Yeah, man. Skills.
Skills, bro.
जीरो कैमरा है
हाँ, कैमरा.
क्या चेक करता हो
कुछ नहीं, वो सेफ्टी के लिए रिकॉर्ड करता पूरा.
देखा ना कैसा
हाँ? ए पीछे यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे रिकॉर्ड होते रहता है वो. मेमोरी कार्ड है अंदर. जैसा फोन में रिकॉर्ड होता है ना, सेम.
रात को कब देखता
रात को क्या मतलब कभी भी देख सकता है वो. इजी रहता है. Fill up, you douchebag.
You paid?
I paid. Why do you have to do that?
I'm not doing it.
I realize. He likes a bumpy so much. Okay, let's go.
Milk, bro. Oh shit, what's happening here, bro?
They're selling condom.
They are wanting the monies. They want to exchange the monies.
No, it's Magnum Dong, I tell you.
Oh.
You know what Magnum Dong is?
Magnum bomb.
Dong, D-O-N-G.
Magnum thong.
Not a dong. Oh my god, oh shit.
What are you saying, man?
I said Magnum Dong.
That's what I said the first time, god damn it.
I said T for Doofenshmirtz, man. Dong.
Oh, dong.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
penis.
okay. Magnum dong. I don't know, it sounds familiar. I think you showed me some video on it.
Some old man.
Oh, okay, now I remember that freaking stupid video. What do you call it? Song compilation or whatever that shit is. Bad.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I've come to talk to you again.
Oh, did you just come to touch with you again?
Yes.
Oh wow.
No, I didn't.
I really like.
I lied.
Okay. Okay. Wow. Wow. I love your singing, dude. Brilliant.
Thank you, sir. Why, thank you.
Yeah.
Ho ho.
What's up, dude? Stop it, you.
Dad damn it.